Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And this video comes at a request from one of my customers, and they asked me, what is the difference with all them cables y'all be using? Them DVAs or HIMDs, whatever. I laughed about it because of course they got the letters wrong. But I told them, I said it's HDMI and DVI and VGA cables. I said those are different display cables from your computer to the monitors that you use. But I explained to them, I said, you just gave me a novel idea. I'm going to make a video about it so I can explain the differences between those cables. And then I'm going to put it on my channel. Then that way it would probably be a little more understanding to you. So with that being said, I am going to cut to a video that will show each cable in its form and show how to use the cable and what other equipment you may have to purchase or add to get that particular equipment to work. So with that, here's the video. Our first cable is the VGA cable, which stands for Video Graphics Adapter. And as you can see, it's a kind of wide type of cable. This just happens to be the male end of the cable, and it plugs into the female end of the computer, whether it's the motherboard or the graphics card. Now, VGA cables do not have audio, just video only. So if you want audio, you have to get yourself an audio cable, which is what's shown right here, and that plugs in from the back of your computer to the monitor if the monitor has audio out. So that means that if your monitor has speakers, then you can connect the audio cable to the back of it, and that's how you will get sound from your computer. The next cable is DVI, or Digital Video Interface, and this particular cable is almost like the VGA cable in where it has video but there's no audio. So it's like the next step up in display connectivity. So you have to get an audio cable if you want to hear the sound coming from the computer. So if you wish to use the DVI connection, you have to make sure that your graphics card or computer has this type of connection to it. The next cable is HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Interface, and this cable is one of the first that came out where it carries both audio and video signals. So unlike VGA and DVI, which need a separate audio cable, this cable does not need an audio cable because it is built into the wiring of the cable, and it connects to a port that looks like this in the back of your computer. The last cable is the display cable, and once again, just like HDMI, it carries both audio and visual. So this is like the upgraded version of HDMI. It's supposed to give more of a higher definition output on your display monitor, but your computer or graphics card will need this type of port in order for you to be able to connect the display cable. So once again, these two need the audio cable, these two do not. And that's pretty much about it. Those are your 4 different types of cables and the differences that you have with each of those. So I hope this helps you guys out and understand the different types of cables. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.